Krista, yes, I still do bake, and I'm gonna do oatmeal blank cookies. No raisins, don't like raisins. Here are the ingredients. So I'm doing butter, brown sugar, white sugar, eggs, vanilla, all-purpose flour, baking soda, cinnamon, salt, no raisins, and Quaker Oats. Watch and learn. Butter, 1 stick plus 6 tablespoons, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, brown sugar and white sugar, 3/4 cup brown, 1/2 cup white, 2 eggs, adding flour, salt, cinnamon, and baking soda. Last but not least, I'm adding 3 cups of oats. Cup 1, cup 2, and cup 3. I never do a recipe just as is, so since I didn't add raisins to this, I am going to add chocolate chips to half of the batter, and the other half I will just do as plain oatmeal cookies because, you know, some people just like oatmeal and some people like oatmeal chocolate chip. So that will be my little spin on these oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, and some just as oatmeal. But you can see how good they look already, just the batter. Okay, so these are done. That was super fast. They go into a preheated oven for 10 minutes. Chocolate chips, as Calvin would say. And Calvin would want some side chocolate, so in honor of Calvin, side chocolate. Mix it all up. And what video would be complete without my trusty dog, who is asleep on the job? Maxwell, do you like oatmeal chocolate chip cookies? Yes? Oh, Maxwell, so cute. Well, and here's something I forgot too. No timer, so this is gonna be a guess. Let's take a look. Ooh, definitely longer. We'll have to look again. Looking good though. Still not done. I'm gonna give it maybe 3 more minutes. And this time I am gonna set a timer. Okay, that was 3 minutes more. I am taking them out. Ooh, they look good with just the oatmeal cookies. Next will be oatmeal chocolate chip, and they are super soft, you can tell. Yum. Okay, so chocolate chip oatmeal cookies are going in. Yes, this time I will set a timer. 10 minutes. Let's do it. Start. Okay. Chocolate oatmeal chip cookies. Ooh, I think they need like 2 more minutes. So not 10 minutes, 12 minutes. Timer. Oatmeal cookies done. They look good. So Krista, did you watch and learn oatmeal chocolate chip cookies and oatmeal cookies? And of course, there's something I hope that Calvin would like. but we'll have to see. I'll have to make them when I'm with him. Enjoy!